Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making classic venison backstrap with juniper and red wine. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 25 minutes to cook. Serves 4 to 6 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 2 to 3 pounds venison backstrap, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon crushed juniper berries, 2 teaspoons coarse salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 cups Cabernet Sauvignon red wine, shallots, 3 tablespoons cold butter, and 1 tablespoon fresh thyme. Step 1. Preparation. Remove backstrap from refrigerator 30 minutes before cooking. Pat dry and season with juniper berries, salt, and pepper. Step 2. Searing. Heat olive oil in large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Sear backstrap on all sides until golden brown, about 6 to 8 minutes total. Step 3. Oven finish. Transfer skillet to 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven and roast 8 to 12 minutes until internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Step 4. Resting. Remove from oven and transfer venison to cutting board. Tent with foil and rest 10 minutes. Step 5. Sauce. Place skillet over medium heat. Add shallots and cook 1 minute. Add wine and thyme, scraping up browned bits. Simmer until reduced by half. Step 6. Finishing. Remove from heat and whisk in cold butter to create glossy sauce. Strain if desired. And that's how you make classic venison backstrap with juniper and red wine. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.